I know you can see the garnet full and the foundation. Yeah, you put this on there. You can see. Yes. Full on the clay. So some people are coming to. Hey, some people are coming tomorrow. The men are coming tomorrow. The people. The. Okay. So you see the men are coming tomorrow. You see the other one. The following. Yes. You see the one. Ah, you see your son. You don't want to see a field. It's not good though. Yes. So the garden full of the foundation already. You see that tomorrow some people will come. They finish dividing already. So yes. See. The work going on good. Yes. See the room. Very nice. Very fun. Follow it. Everything will be sit down good. Yeah. See? Yeah. Enjoying the foundation. Yes. Papa causes are going on good. Around the POs. Okay. So you can see. I know you can see it. You follow the foundation, the star. You see the foundation. You see the damper. We tie it 2 times. You can see it. We tie it 2 times. You can see the heel. You see the hole here, damper here, behind the foundation. Yeah, you have to be seen. We tie it 2 times. You can see. See it. See the other room. See the second room. And you see the level you're taking it now. And the foundation on the way. You see it? You can take all the there. You see? Especially there. Yes, I can take it from there to carry down. Yes. And the third one here. The only. See the full one. You're digging the hole there, yeah? Everything here. You see? See the full one here. Following, see it? Everything on. See the pay about something. They're laying down here. On it. Yes. The pea house here. Yes. See the blood waiting. Yes. You see the manpower. Okay. The plumber working here. When the plumber finish, start coming there. Okay. You can see the manpower. Carry the color wall. They carry the colors. The color foundation up. You see? Some manpower here. See the people do the wedding over there. You see the blood the people doing. You can see.